Hi there, friends. Today, we're going on a tasty adventure to learn all about healthy eating. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the fruit group. Fruits are like nature's candy, packed with vitamins and minerals that keep our bodies strong and energized. From sweet strawberries to juicy oranges, there's a rainbow of fruits to choose from. So, next time you're looking for a snack, reach for a yummy fruit. Next, we have the vegetable group. Veggies are like little superheroes for our bodies. They help us grow big and strong and keep our hearts healthy. Crunchy carrots, leafy spinach, and colorful bell peppers are just a few examples of these amazing veggies. Remember, eating your veggies is a superpower. Moving on to the protein group. Protein is like building blocks for our bodies, helping us build muscles and stay active. Foods like eggs, chicken, and beans are great sources of protein. So, whether you're playing tag or riding your bike, protein is your best buddy. Now, let's talk about grains. Grains give us the energy we need to run, jump, and play all day long. Foods like whole wheat bread, rice, and oats are fantastic sources of grains. They keep our tummies full and our minds sharp. So, let's fuel up with grains for a day full of fun. Last but not least, we have the dairy group. Dairy foods like milk, cheese, and yogurt are calcium powerhouses, making our bones strong and our teeth healthy. So, don't forget to include dairy in your meals for a happy, healthy smile. Remember, friends, making healthy choices is like giving your body a big hug. So, let's be food explorers and choose colorful, nutritious foods every day. Your body will thank you with energy, strength, and lots of smiles. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep shining bright. See you next time, explorers.